like this. All the bad thoughts that you have are these vehicles. All these cars and buses and trucks that are going by, these are all negative thoughts. But that sun right there is hope. And you see how the light is scattered when all these vehicles they cross by, or me, myself. So I can be my biggest enemy. You know, I can kill my hope. I have the power to kill my own hope. And I have the power to rise. So it depends on us, I guess, to choose to either destroy hope or to resurrect it or to give life to it, you know. I feel lost in my life right now, and I guess people would say that it's because of the life choices. It's the life choices that I've chosen. It's the path that I've chosen, but I think the truth is that I always knew that for what I wanted to do, for what I want to do in my life, I know that it's not going to be easy, at least. And that, knowing that thing, it gives me confidence. It's a state of forgetfulness, I think, where when you're under the sky, when there are no buildings around, when it's just you, nature, it feels like my connection becomes so vast, and I feel so light and weightless. I'd recommend anyone who is feeling lost, I guess, to just get out. To be in the lap of nature, because it heals, and there's no doubt about that. I feel lucky that I could do this, that I chose to make this happen, and not many of us are willing to give in to this. The choices I'll make are already being made for us. It's like that. Options we are given are already a part of a system. And once we try to break the system, once we try to do something that's not a trend, that's not been done yet, the forces are against us. But at the same time, nature, things that are pure, some people, they help. They really do help in giving you that inspiration and motivation to do the things that you really want to do. I feel like I'm doing the right thing because I'm doing it. And if I hadn't done it, I would always live with that doubt. I would always live with that doubt in my mind that what if I had actually tried to become a YouTuber? What if I had actually tried to create films? What if I had actually tried to document my life and I just gave up, and now I'm actually doing it, I'm having fun. There's a lot of vibration in my body because I'm actually doing it, and so It's gonna be tough ride, but I'm seeing the potential in it. I can see the acceleration, the dopamine rush that I have right now in my head. I think it's all this is the prize. And yeah, I think time for me to find another location and talk to you guys over there, because it's crowded. There's a lot of traffic today, so, and it's not weekends, so see you, bye. Out of here right now. Alright, so I'm gonna see you later, and I think this is the end of the video today. See you. Yeah.